Hello everyone, I am Nehal Chudasama, Miss Diva Universe 2018. Confidence is the best hairstyle. Welcome to Kanchan Hair Oil Miss Beautiful Hair Sub-Contest, where we're gonna find out our diva with the best hair. Today, we're gonna find out which amongst our contestants is gonna sweep us off our feet with their gorgeous mane. Well, to judge today's sub-contest, we have with us Mr. Amit Mehta. He's the expert member from Shri Doodh Papeshwar Limited, our very favorite Savio John Pereira, and myself included. So let's hear it from our esteemed judges now. So how are you, Mr. Amit, and how excited are you for today's sub-contest?
Very much excited I am, and specifically Kanchan Hair Oil means beautiful hair that we are doing right now. So many aspirants has come over here, and from the years people are excited about this event and they are much happy after winning this type of contest. So we are at Doodh Papeshwar super excited about it, and we want to get associate in coming years also.
What about you, Savio? How excited are you?
I'm super excited actually because we had the girls over at the salon and we got all their makeovers done. And Nehal, you won't believe it, but all of them have got beautiful hair, man. Guys, it's going to be pretty tough, huh? The whole judging part of it.
I'm sure.
Trust me on that. Yeah, but I'm like, wow.
It's going to be tough, but we're going to select the best winner.
Yes,
Definitely.
Sure.
yes, we will. Yes, we will.
Well said, my fellow judges. I'm too excited as well to meet our finalists and look at their gorgeous hair. Well, on that note, let's get you all introduced to our dynamic, confident, and gorgeous divas and ask them if they're ready for what's in store for them. You all look amazing, beautiful, and so fresh today. So, are you ready to showcase your tresses? Yes! So, today we have a sub-contest, Kanchan Hair Oil Miss Beautiful Hair, and I wish all of you good luck. Thank you! So, we, the jury panel, is ready. Our girls are all set. Now, let me explain you our today's judging criteria for Kanchan Hair Oil Miss Beautiful Hair. Our divas will be judged on their hair basis the texture, shine, bounce, smoothness, density, and of course the overall health of the hair. The only rule is the ladies are not going to be using any hair products in their hair for today's sub-contest. So it's all going to be natural and flowing. Thank you, ladies. Now let's have you individually here interact with you and choose the winner.
Do you think parents' advice on hair care is useful as per you?
Of course, I mean, parents know best regardless of the situation, and I think coming from a country like India where people needed so much herbal treatment, it's absolutely like your mom knows best, right?
So what's your hair care routine like?
Mom, on Sundays we both make a portion of castor oil, eucalyptus oil, and we mix a portion of these oils and apply to my hair, and I wash it after that.
You know, it's got a really nice shine. Your hair's got a nice natural shine.
We'll just turn around so that we can just have a look at your volume. I think our divas were exemplary in today's sub-contest. But now it's time for us to ask our judges what do they feel about this parade that we witnessed.
I would first like to thank Miss Diva organization to invite me here today. And it was amazing experience to judge all females. And now judging top 5 is a task.
Thank you. What about you, Savio?
Everyone's looking after their hair and they've got so many new home care remedies.
Home care
that we can-
remedies by their grandmothers and all that.
Yeah, most of them are by their grandmothers.
Yeah.
So that's good,
Whatever works for them.
Very good experience. Super.
Very nice experience.
Thank you for your kind words, judges. I think it's been a wonderful day. It's been a wonderful time judging Kanchan Hair Oil Miss Beautiful Hair Sub-Contest. I think it's time for us to announce the top 5 finalists for this. So the top 5 for Kanchan Hair Oil Miss Beautiful Hair are, in alphabetical order, first one to come up is Naveli Deshmukh. Second one in the top 5 is Ritika Khatnani. Third one is Sachi Kudale. Sonal Kukreja. And the last but not the least is Tarini Kalingara.
Today judging the girls for beautiful hair is a very good experience. They are having good shiny hair with a bounce and texture, and using several different home remedies formula definitely impressed me.
I'd like to thank Diva Miss Diva 21 for getting me to judge my favorite subcategory, that's hair. Yeah, thoroughly enjoyed the whole experience. And of course, we've got our top 5 winners. It was quite difficult actually to choose this top 5 because there's still about 11 or 12 more who are still on my favorite list over there. So once again, thank you so much and wishing you all the best, girls.
Hey everyone, so I just finished judging the sub-contest Kanchan Hair Oil Miss Beautiful Hair. It was very tough for me to choose the top 5, but we finally have them. So let's wait to see who gets the sash on 22nd of September of Kanchan Hair Oil Miss Beautiful Hair.
So today we just got done with our sub-contest of Kanchan Miss Beautiful Hair, and I'm so very grateful for being selected as a top 5 finalist in the same. We had an amazing panel of judges and we got to learn so much from them. I am so happy. Thank you so much.